In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop for project management. In order to do that, you first need to head over to loop.cloud.microsoft in order to see and hear this page. Onto this part, just proceed to click onto this Get Started that you can see right here in order to create an account. So on my case, let's head over and click on this. However, if you already have a OneDrive account or an Office account or Microsoft Word account, you can head over and use that from there as well. Click on the sign in option in order to sign in right here. So let's head over and then sign in. Here is my actual Microsoft Loop. So if you want to use it for project management, you can click onto this plus icon, click onto this page, and then after that, you can see right here that we have in here an untitled page. We have in here this option for project brief for planning and organizing. We also have in here project planning for aggregating. So on this case, let's choose project brief. And here is what it would look like. Alternatively, you can choose project planning, and it will show you right here the actual option for that, such as assignments, blank pages, meetings, and the likes. We also have in here the options for started, as well as other options. Alternatively, you can also access your template gallery by clicking onto this icon right here. So let's proceed to click on this. You can see in here a lot of options as well, issue tracker, as well as other options. On my case, let's head over and choose Kanban board instead since it has a dynamic board option. Click onto this and you can see the preview for this particular board. Click onto this use template and then from in there you can see it right there. We have an overview as well as the board itself right here. So it will look like this if you would want, and here is what it would present it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.